What's happening, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back here again. And what I've got here is a Skoda Octavia on a 2012. That is 2012 Skoda Octavia. It's the 1.4 petrol, Tfsi petrol. We're going to go ahead and replace the intercooler. You could say it's the intercooler, the one that goes on the manifold. Or, what would you call it? The air water-cooled water cooler or intercooler, whatever you want to call it. I think it's the intercooler. Goes on the manifold, it's leaking. We're going to go ahead and replace that. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, this cooler lives inside here, inside the manifold. Okay, so two ways to do it. Either you can do it in situ. Okay, try to take the pipes off and unbolt it and everything. You know what? Raul TV, Team R4UL, we're not going to do that. It's messing about. For the sake of, I think, few pipes and, few bolts, we're going to take the manifold off, inlet manifold off. So there you go. Raul TV, good to you guys again. Basically, two jobs for the price of one. We're going to do the cooler, and you guys can see how to take the inlet manifold off. Okay, so let's get on it. What we're going to do is we're going to take all these pipes, we're going to disconnect it from here, take that off from there, move that out of the way. We're going to move this one, take the plug off from there, move that out of the way. Okay, take this plug off here. There we go, that comes off. Take this plug off as well. Basically, we're going to clear the top, basically, of all these pipes and everything. Move everything out of the way, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys, I've took it off from here, as you can see there. Took this middle pipe off here. Look, there's like a T-junction there. Okay, took that off, so put that to a side. Just be careful, the really rubbish hard plastic pipe, which they break, so T-junction. So we're going to move that out of the way. That's out of the way as well. Okay, what we're going to do now is we've took these two plugs off, this plug here and that plug off there. So we're going to go around the back of the manifold. And see this pipe here, we have to be really extra careful with it. We're not going to take it off completely because I've got a feeling it's going to break. Okay, so basically what we do is we go there, we're going to take that off from there. Okay, so basically we're going to push it on either side and pull as well. I'm going to get both hands onto that one. There's another one here. Okay, that should just pull off. I'll try to pull it off while I'm showing you guys. There we go, that pulls off. That moves out of the way. Try breaking it, that's it. This one here. So I'm going to push it on either side and take it off. And this one here, I don't think I need to take that off, but I think that goes onto an air pipe and it's not in the way, so we'll leave that one. So this one here, so give it a little wiggle it about. Right, I'm going to get both hands onto that and take that off, and I'll get back at you guys. Okay guys, I've managed to take that off, get both hands onto it, one hand to press the side clips in and the other hand to basically pull it off. That's off. We're going to leave this one for now, for the time being. Maybe we don't need to take that off. Right, so now it's all freestyling, moving. Just be careful, you don't want to break these plastic pipes. I don't know why they use plastic pipes, why don't they use rubber instead? Right, so anyway, that moves out of the way, that's coming this way. We'll take it off from here, all the way here. Here we go. Move that out of the way. Now hopefully now, we're gonna guide it basically. I'm gonna get both hands on it. I'm going to get both hands on it, move it out of the way, secure it so it's totally out of the way, and then basically we'll go from there. Okay guys, as you can see here, this pipe is out of the way. I can hold it there or get somebody to hold it there while I take the manifold off, but I'm not going to do that. For the sake of this cover, I'm going to go ahead and take this cover off because it goes inside this way. The pipe goes around here, through there. I mean, if you want, you can take this pipe off, make your life a bit more easier, but you don't have to. Right, I'm going to go around here, it goes inside this way. So basically, let's take this cover off, not the rocker cover off, it's this, just the top cover here. Torx 30, one here, one there, another one there, and another one there. Take them four off, that cover comes off, and then we'll see where it goes on, and then basically we'll take that pipe off, then it's totally out of the way, and then, we'll get on with the inlet manifold. Okay, so I've took this cover off, like I mentioned. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to. You can just hold it up like that, get somebody to hold it, and then you take the manifold off if you want to. But for the sake of this little pipe here, okay, We'll just take it off, then it's totally out of the way. No chance of us breaking it. The hard plastic pipes, be very careful, because if you break it, then you're here for the long run. Basically, you need to buy it from the main dealer kind of thing. Right, so anyway, we'll take this off from here. I put a bit of oil on there, so basically I can take it off. I'm going to get both hands on it. One hand to press the clip in, the other hand to take the pipe off. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I've got that pipe out of the way. We can see now, we can gain access to it. Nothing in the way, you're not going to break anything. What we'll do now is we're going to go around to this side here. We're going to take this pipe off. We're going to take that pipe off. With normal pliers, if you've got normal pliers, if you've got the proper pipe pliers, use them. If you've got normal pliers like these, just use the normal pliers. I mean, they should come off. It's going onto metal, so you shouldn't break anything. So yeah, let's take them two off. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, them two pipes are off. I'll be straight up honest with you. They were absolutely fused together. Okay, they was fused onto the pipe here. I've got them off. Obviously put some oil on it, WD-40. Try to get some WD-40 inside it. And yeah, they're off now. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the manifold bolts off. Basically, you need a CR. This one, that's what you need. A multi-spline. Torx. CR V8. So a V8 socket. Torx that is, sorry. Let's take them off. We're going to go all the way around here. We're going to take that one off, one in the middle here. That's going to be rusting because there's water in there. Another one there. Should be another one there. Okay, and maybe possibility another one down there and another one down under here. But we'll get to them after. Let's take the top ones off. Let's see what's what, and then we'll go from there. Okay, guys, sit rep. The problem is I've took all the bolts off everything, you know, these 5 bolts here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One little, not I wouldn't say issue, but a little bit of an error from my side. We need to take this pipe off, okay? Torx 30, take this one off. Basically, this pipe comes off, it's clipped on here as well. This clip here, can you see that? That one, obviously press it on either side, that clip, that comes off. Take this plug off, another plug there. Basically, the throttle body, the throttle housing comes off with it, okay? And also the pipe that I didn't want to take off, that one round the side there, we have to take that off as well. Okay, that pipe is off. It's sorry, I said it the wrong way around, guys. You have to spread them 2 clips. Can you see this clip here and this clip here? You have to spread them and then pull this pipe off, kind of thing. Okay, to put it on, you just click it back on, straight on. Right, so we'll move that out of the way. That is out of the way. Okay, that's out of the way. We've took that pipe off. The pipe I didn't really want to take off, this one here, but I've took it off. It came off. Thank God for that. It's so flimsy and so not very good. So anyway, I've left this last bolt on here, so I'm going to take that bolt off if I can. So basically take that off, and this manifold should come straight off. Okay, manifold is totally off. I don't see anything else holding it around the bottom, but I think there's supposed to be a bolt on the bottom. I'm pretty sure there is, but luckily me, can you see where that bolt goes, where that hole is there? Yeah, I'll point out in the edit. I'm pretty sure there should be a bolt going through there. If there is, you need to go underneath it and check it. On mine, for some reason, somebody's messed about with it in the past, and I haven't got one on there. So happy days for me. So I'm going to guide this out, get both hands on there, guide this out. Or else if I try taking it out with one hand, I'll end up breaking something, like a pipe or something. ABS plastic pipes. Yeah, so let me take this out and I'll get back at you guys. Okay, as you can see here, I've got the manifold off, totally off. Obviously I have to guide it out from there. Okay, so manifold is off. Like I mentioned, round the bottom, on the bottom of the manifold, there might be a bolt there. I'm not 100% sure. Mine didn't have one on, or it might be just a locator. Mine didn't have one on. Yours might have one on there. Okay, a bolt of some sort. So on mine, it only had the 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, yeah, I can count. Right, so yeah, that's that. We're gonna turn this around, and that's the bad boy there. We're going to take these off. All these Torx, I think the Torx 30. Take them off. Okay, and then we'll go from there. We'll see what's inside there. So basically take all 6 off. Obviously I'm not going to take them off just yet because I'm going to drop it. So take all them screws off, all these little bolts off, and then hopefully that should come straight off. And that's the thing that we're replacing. Come on, let's go, let's do it. So okay, all the screws are off. So basically I'm just gonna pull this out from there. It's like a little intercooler. Obviously it's an intercooler radiator of some sort. Just give it a little wiggle. That comes out from there. As you can see, it's been leaking. Happy days. We'll give that a clean out in there. Get the new one on. Hey guys, as you can see here, I've got the brand new one here. Brand spanking new here. It's the next day, I'll be straight honest with you, because I had to wait for the part to arrive. Right, so we're just gonna fit it in reverse order. Obviously it won't go this way. Okay. It can go this way, but it won't go this way because the pipes went on this side. Let's get that in there. Remember that seal? Make sure we put that seal on as well. Okay, let's put that in there. Boom, there we go, that goes in. Put them screws on. Happy days, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've bolted everything on. All these are on. Just doing the hand tight. You don't need to torque them up or anything like that. Right, so manifold is there. Okay, it's going to go on there in reverse order. We're going to place it there, get the bolts on, tighten up on the bolts, get all the pipes on, water pipes, all the ancillaries and everything. Get everything on, all the wiring plugs. And yeah, finish it off, reverse order. Let's go. Okay guys, the manifold is back on. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put the air pipe back on, put the wiring plugs back on, all the wiring plugs and everything, and we're gonna put the pipes and everything back on. So basically, one there, one round there, this one that goes here. Okay, so basically in reverse order, the way we took it off, all the pipes, everything. Let's put them back on. Let's go. Well, that is it guys, all done and dusted. The car is all finished. I put the manifold back on, all the ancillaries, all the pipes, everything back on. All I'm going to do now is put some coolant in it, some antifreeze, some water, run it up to temperature, make sure the fan kicks in, and that's it. Make sure it's blowing out hot air, make sure there's no leaks. That's it. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.